All right, what we did here is we put 5 holes in there, 1/4 inch diameter there, and just like so. Just make sure you always have something to protect your table or whatever. We put 5 holes in there, and we are using the Grow on the Go bulk seed shaker. Okay, all right, and we are making our own little seed shaker here. And I put the 1/4 inch because that's that way even the large size pieces can come out of there. And right here it's got a little dollar store funnel with a long spout on there, and all you gotta do is shake, 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 and then you got a decent amount. I mean, that is plenty enough seeds for 1 hole there. All right, let's take this outside and plant some seeds. And this is just an old handle off of a rake that busted, but it's got the metal tip on that makes it perfect for punching holes in the dirt. Poke a little hole, drop in our funnel, shake, 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 and you can just sit there and do multiple holes for our wildflowers. Okay. Nice and simple. Then we'll give those a little bit of water, and then we'll just rake the dirt over the top, and that's all she's done right there. Little dollar seed shaker. And since these are perennials, perennials, they should come back every single year and fill up this whole area with some nice wildflowers. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you around the house. And if you like what you see, please click like and subscribe, or follow if you're watching on Rumble, and check out our many affiliate links below, including our Amazon page for around the house. So go make a purchase, and we'll keep making videos for you. All right, we'll see you around the house.